Now is this on? Now is this on? Check and check, check, check.
I used to drink, I used to smoke, and then I danced. I used to drink, I used to smoke, and then I danced. Well, this company's club of living in this crowd room. Need some new religion and I need it pretty soon. Drink, I used to smoke, and then I danced.
Welcome back to a brand new episode of The Drunk Chef. Today I'm going to make a very simple roast chicken. This sort of thing that you can make, a couple times a month, and it's so easy and it's so simple you won't even believe it. Okay, so here's your ingredient list. It's pretty straightforward. You have a chicken, 3 to 4 pound chicken, a couple cloves of garlic, kosher salt, pepper, thyme, Dijon mustard, and butter. So what we want to do with this bird here is make sure it's dry as possible. So sometimes you can rinse them and then dry them off with paper towels, and we're going to do just that. So I have a couple cloves of garlic, 3 cloves of garlic, and I've just basically smashed them down, and I just want them smashed and throw them in. Next I have some kosher salt, and I'm just going to rain that down all over the chicken. Pepper, same thing, just going to put pepper all over the top of it. And now what I'm going to do is take this bird in the cast iron pan, and I'm going to put it right into my oven at 450 degrees for 1 hour. Okay, so I've got this out of the oven, and I'm going to let it rest for about 15 minutes, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of this thyme in. I'm also going to add in a couple tablespoons of some butter. And I'm going to mix that into the pot here a little bit. Let the butter melt, mix the thyme in. And then what I want to just do is baste this actually over the chicken. Got all that garlic, got all that thyme, everything. Juices. Alright, so I've got the chicken all cut up into bits and pieces. Got the breasts, legs, thighs, excellent, threw the wings on there. And what I've done, I've just added a little bit of Dijon mustard into the juices, and the garlic and the thyme, just to make a little bit of a sauce. Perfect. Yes! So a simple roast chicken, super easy to do. I would just have it with a little bit of Dijon mustard as well on the side. It's a really good dinner. Enjoy!